Hello everyone. Today's our topic is United States Constitution. Constitution is a cornerstone of democracy and liberty. Introduction. The United States Constitution stands as an enduring testament to the principles of democracy, freedom, and the rule of law. Crafted in 1787 by a group of visionary founding fathers, this remarkable document laid the foundation for the American government and has guided the nation through centuries of change and challenge. Comprising a preamble, 7 articles, and 27 amendments, the Constitution is a living embodiment of the American spirit and a blueprint for governance that has inspired nations around the world. Historical context and framing. The seeds of the Constitution were sown in the aftermath of the American Revolution. The Articles of Confederation, which initially governed the newly independent states, prove inadequate is providing a strong central government. The Constitution Convention of 1787 convened in Philadelphia aimed to rectify these deficiencies and establish a framework that balances power between the federal government and individual states. Structure and key provisions. The preamble, the Constitution begins with the iconic preamble, succinctly outlining the document's purpose to establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, providing for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the balancing of liberty for all citizens. Article 1. The Legislative Branch. This article established the Congress comprising the Senate and the House of Representatives. It outlines their powers, responsibilities, and procedures for lawmaking. The, fra- the framers designed this branch as a representative body to reflect the diverse interests of the states. Article 2. The Executive Branch. Article 2 establishes the presidency detailing the powers and responsibilities of the executive, including the enforcement of laws, diplomatic relations, and commander in chief status. This branch was crafted to ensure stability while also preventing an accumulation of unchecked power. Article 3. The Judicial Branch. Article 3 establishes the federal judiciary, including the Supreme Court. This article empowers the courts to interpret laws and settle disputes, creating a system of checks and balances among the three branches. Article 4. The States. This article defines the relationships between states and their obligations to each other. It also guarantees a republican form of government for all states, promoting unity and preventing the rise of tyranny. Article 5. Amendments. Article 5 outlines the process for amending the Constitution, allowing it to adapt to changing times and societal needs. This provision underscores the framers' recognition the Constitution should remain a living, adaptable document. Bill of Rights and subsequent amendments. The first 10 amendments to the Constitution, collectively known as the Bill of Rights, were ratified in 1791. These amendments safeguard individual liberties such as freedom of speech, religion, and the right to bear arms. Subsequent amendments have expanded voting rights, abolish slavery, and establish guarantees of equality under the law regardless of race, gender, or age. Significant and global influence. The United States Constitution has had a profound impact not only on American society but also on the global stage. It emphasizes on individual rights, limited government, and a system of checks and balances has served as a model for democratic governance worldwide. Many countries have drawn inspiration from its principles while drafting their own constitution, reflecting the enduring relevance of the document's core values. Contemporary challenges and interpretation. As a society evolves, the interpretation of the Constitution provisions remains subject to debate. Issues such as the scope of presidential power, the balance between privacy and security, and the role of the federal government in areas like healthcare and education continue to spark lively discussions. Conclusion: The United States Constitution stands as an unparalleled achievement in the annals of human history. Its ingenious framework of government, emphasis, emphasis on individual rights, and enduring and adaptability have allowed it to weather the storms of time and serve as a guiding light for democracy and liberty. As the United States and the world navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the Constitution's enduring principles remain a source of inspiration and a cornerstone of the American experiment in self governance. Thank you.